Okay, so here as promised, here's that recipe for that bread. You're gonna add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of yeast. And to that, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of hot water. And make sure it's not boiling water, just as hot as your faucet goes. That's what I usually do. And then just mix that until it's fully incorporated. It doesn't have to be a smooth dough. And we're gonna let that rest for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, you're gonna throw the dough on the floured surface. And then you're gonna pull the edges and stretch them out, bring them back to the middle. Do that until you go all the way around the bread and form a ball. You don't have to do it a lot. It took me like 10 seconds. And then throw it into a bowl with some parchment paper. You're gonna let that rest for about another hour. Once that hour passes, you're gonna turn your oven to 425. Make sure your Dutch oven is in there so it gets nice and hot. You're gonna throw your bread in the oven for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you're gonna take out your bread and then take the lid off your Dutch oven. Then you put your bread back in. I usually put it back in for another 20 minutes just to get it super crispy on the outside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy. And just listen to that crunch. If you like what you see, go check out my other videos. Thank you.